Hi, my name is Neil Hogan from Propaganda Media. In this tutorial we will look at making a gallery. This is probably going to be the hardest task you will have to do, so persevere with it, give it a few goes, mess around, and you'll probably become very simple in the end. So let's begin. So the first thing we'll do is we'll log into our back end, and then what we'll need to do is we'll need to upload the pictures to a specific folder. Now, I have done a previous video on this, so if you haven't seen that already, head on over there. But I'll show you that I previously already uploaded the files from my gallery here in TestVid. There you go. So, first thing we do is we upload our pictures to here. Now this is very important. We need to remember, we need to actually tell later on the program where these pictures are stored. So what we're going to do is we use this URL here all the way back to images. So I've highlighted that. I'm going to right click and copy. And in the background here I've got open a small notepad document, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy and paste the directory into there just for next time. This is a good practice to do as well. Right, so the first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to make an article. So let's go to the back end, let's go to the article manager, and we see we are already in the gallery section here, but if you were to come in, obviously if you can select the gallery from there and then click new, and let's call this wedding, or wedding even, wedding 19. Now this is very important. We must make sure that the category is in gallery. The status is published, although we'll come back to this point later on. We'll leave this blank for now, this box. And just for now, we're going to just put a full stop in, just to put a bit of content in, because we can't have a blank article. So let's go save and close. And this is what you'll always notice after you make an article, it doesn't always publish, or it doesn't publish at all. So what we will need to do is we will need to publish this item by clicking on it and taking it to the green tick. Right, let's go over to the back end, and now we're going to create a menu. So main menu, new. And what we're going to do is we're going to link this menu with the article we've just created. So menu type item, if we click select and then go to single article, on the right hand here we shall select the article. Now we can make things easier by selecting the gallery category, and there we go there, wedding. Now let's give the menu a title. This will be what was displayed actually on the menu itself. And now this is very important as well. The parent location needs to be in gallery. That's very important. And we'll save and save, and I was meant to press save and close, I press save and new. Okay, we'll come out of that for now. Now we'll go back to the back end. So far we have made an article, we've stored it in a category, and we've linked the menu to the article. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make a new module, and if we click new and we select SIG Plus, let's give this a title. Again, I think I'm going to call it wedding. We're going to hide the title. Now this is very important. We need to give it a position and the position cannot have any spaces in it. So I'm going to call it Wedding 1906 2013, and I'm going to copy and paste that into my Notepad document just for later on. Okay. Right, now we've done that, we need to go over to the menu assignment, and we need to select only on pages selected. Then we clear section, and we only want this module to display on the wedding page. Right, here we go, over to the actual configuration of the gallery itself. The images folder is the folder that I copied and pasted before. So let's go back and do that. There we go. Now I need to select how many rows and columns I want. I'm going to select 3 of 3. And the preview image width, I think I'm going to put 280 by 280. And we're going to select yes for cropping. And we will put the navigation buttons on and page counter. And for now that should do. So if we click save and close, and just check it's been published, which it has. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go back to our article and the article manager, and here we go, wedding. And what we're going to do is we are going to load, well first of all let's give it a title, and then we're going to put a bit of code in to tell it to load the gallery into this next bit of the document. So if I go over to my document here we can see this is the code for it. So I click Control and V, and the 2 X's actually represent what the actual module position is called. So from here we know it's called this. And let's Control and V. And last but not least, let's give this a H1 heading. And let's save and close. Now what we'll do is we shall clear the cache. And now let's load the site. And let's head over to gallery and wedding. And there we go, we have successfully done it. As you can see. There we go, that's come out very nice too. So there we go, that's probably the most complex thing we will do. And after a while it will become very simple. My name's Neil Hogan and thanks for watching.